Hi guys, and welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna be trying different things other than skincare. It's actually skincare because it's derma rolling. Not actually derma rolling, but microneedling. And with that being said, I am using a derma stamp. It's from Derma Roller Philippines. This is a branded derma stamp, unlike the ones that you can get from Shopee. They're coming from China, but this one is a coming from a it's a local brand, but it's branded one. You can really assure that this one is of high quality compared to the ones that you can get from. I'm not saying that products from China are not that good, but this has been one of the most staple brands here in the Philippines. It's from Dermaroller Philippines in Makati City, and I have already sterilized the needles that is on the stamp. And if you are new to microneedling, you have to make your own research. My skin has been, I can say that it's resilient, but my skin is not new to needles, and I have gone through PRP with microneedling. Microneedling with PRP, like I have gone through 3 sessions, and just recently in December 2023, I had my subcision. This is why I have a little bit of scarring here. I know that this is going to subside in a month. And I had also an RF microneedling. It's a radio frequency wherein it produces heat, and this is going to enter to the deep surface of your skin, and it's going to stimulate collagen. For tonight, I wanna try microneedling my face, cause I'm not afraid of needles anymore. So let's try it out. If you are new to microneedling, be sure that you are not afraid of something sharp. It's actually a 1 point. What happened to the needle? Wala, nagawas. It came out. It's needles. It's 1.0. It's 1.0 millimeter. I thought it's millimeter. This is going to stimulate collagen when used consistently. I know that it's painful if you are not going to tolerate the pain. You have to use a numb cream. But for me, it creates a micro puncture, a micro damage to the surface of my skin. That's why literally there's a blood coming up to the surface of my skin. But I was wondering that one needle has already come up. I can hear the needles. I'm going to put in a soothing aloe extract face mask from Face Republic. Just bear with me. What happened to your face if you've been a follower You know what's happening with my face. I'm going to let it sit in for 5 minutes is over, so I'm gonna take it off. Feels refreshing. We have to let it absorb the remaining essence or serum. Then don't forget the neck, because you don't want to age your face and then your neck is kind of sagging. Sagging? Sagging. Oh my god. So after that, we are applying a vitamin C serum. It's from iWhite Korea. It's their Glow Booster Vitamin C Serum. I actually grabbed a Garnier one, but I was looking for the nighttime vitamin C. I know that they have two variants of vitamin C. They have for daytime and the nighttime. And since I was not able to find on Watson their vitamin C serum for nighttime, I opted to choose this brand. It's from iWhite. Actually, it's not that bad. iWhite is an affordable brand. For those of you who are new to microneedling, a vitamin C serum is a must after the session, after you puncture your face with the needles. You wanna apply a vitamin C serum because it's the vitamin C serum that helps build collagen, not the collagen itself. You have to use a vitamin C serum. This is going to create a peptide for a protein collagen, because collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. That's it. That's it. Just that much. It has a citrusy fragrance. Kind of reminded me like an orange or a lemon. It really stings. Last step is a moisturizer. It's from Lux Organics Soothing Sika Gel. But if you have dry skin type, you have to use something that has more occlusive, that has more oil, because your skin needs more of that. You have to use a thick moisturizer, and if you're an oily one, an oily gal, you have to use a moisturizer that is thin enough that's not going to clog your pores all throughout the day if you're wearing something like a makeup. But for me, if in my case, I wouldn't wear a moisturizer during daytime because my sunscreen is moisturizing enough to sustain the moisture that is on my face. I think that's it for today's video. I'm going to give you some updates after a week, maybe a week, if there is some significant difference. See you in the next one. Bye.